So in this video here, we're going to run you through your options for the Ram 3500 packages just like this one. We'll also go through your F250, 350 options. And for the last of the HD platforms, it's none other than the Chevy 2500 HD. Let's get into this one and show you all about it. This truck behind me here is how your one will roll into Big Dog Builds, and this one here behind me is how your truck will look after our new Essentials package. Not only that, but you can get your Essentials package installed this month. Come and walk around this one and I'll show you what's involved. So for your Ram 3500, the Essentials package is going to be suspension, it's going to be wheels, tyres, it's going to be a fuel tank if you want one, as well as airbags in the rear end to tow, and air pressure control to control those airbags from the comfort of the front seat. When it comes to the specific Ram 3500 platform, if it's a 23 model truck like this one here, most wheel and tyre combinations will mean you will need to add front flares and rear flares, unless you're getting a canopy, of course. And we'll walk around this one here. It's a tough looking Ram 3500 mega cab. It's not the most common one in the roads here in Australia, but the Essentials package on this one is looking mighty fine. This Ram 3500, it's an awesome looking mega cab, 3500 from Maracunda. It's already got the night edition, so it does look great from the start. But for the Essentials package, Carly suspension lift kit in this one. We've gone for the 2.5-inch remote res pin top kit. This one here is slightly different to the standard as well. We've gone for the black anodized option. And for the wheel and tyre combination, Method 305 NV HD. These are an 18x9 POS 18 offset, and the Nitto Ridge Grappler are wrapped around that one. 35, 12.5, 18 Nitto Ridge Grappler. Super popular tyre in the 35, 18 option. Massive 128 load rating as well in that one. And we have gone and swapped the lip bolts on these methods to be the matte black. Just to get rid of the zinc lip bolts, go for the matte black option. The Essentials package at the front end of this one, suspension, wheels and tyres. We'll swap around to the back end and I'll show you your options for the Ram 25 and 3500. For the rear end of the Ram 25 3500s, that's where these do differ between the two platforms. The 3500 can have the leaf helper airbags, whereas the 2500 can have the coil helper airbags that we do next to the coils. Both rear options can have air pressure control inside the cab as well. So the Ready Lift Air IQ offers a neat little remote control to inflate, deflate these airbags. You can also do it from your app on your phone as well. This makes sure that your rear end stays nice and safe. If you're towing a big boat or a big caravan on the back end, having air pressure control adjustable from in-cab is definitely a luxury. All bag kits come with the manual inflation tabs at the rear end as well. If you're wanting a long-range fuel tank, the Titan tanks for these Rams are the most popular option. We can also do a Jenny hitch combo on the back end as well, and that's going to ensure that your tow package is as best as it can be. So that's your Rams Essential package for the 25 3500 option. Suspension, wheels, tyres, fuel tank, air on board in the rear end for your airbags, and a good hitch on the back as well. Now let's go check out your options for the Ford 250 and 350. Your Essentials package for the Ford F250 350 is going to be essentially suspension upgrade, your wheels and tyres, whether you're going flared or non-flared, as well as a fuel tank. You can also add airbags to the rear end, as well as air pressure control, and even a hitch on the back. Let's get a closer look at this beast behind me and show you what the Essentials package would look like if this one rolled in. Although this one here has a little bit more fruit than just an Essentials package, we'll go through the items that will get you in this month. And for another video, I think I'll have to do a full walk around on this one. It's one of my favorites. Starting at the front end, this one has got the massive 5.5-inch E-Venture suspension kit from Carly Suspension in the US. Being an AusMV converted truck, we're able to do the full kit in the 5.5-inch lift, as well as every single optional upgrade. You can option for any lift kit in the Essentials package, whether it's a 5.5-inch lifted F truck like this one here on massive 38-inch tyres, or if you're opting just for a leveling kit with 35s, it doesn't matter. For the wheel and tyre combination on this one, Method 305 NV. These are 18x9 Neg 12 fitment, and they've got massive Toyo Open Country MTs, 38 by 13.5 18 tyres. 38s aren't for everyone, But for this truck here, it definitely suits it perfectly. And for your essentials package wheel and tyre combination, we've got plenty of options in the market that's going to make sure that you stand out from the rest. The rear end essentials package for the F250 350 is going to be the leaf spring airbag helpers for the 5.5-inch lift, like this one here has got the Carly long travel airbags. They're one of my favorite in the market. If you go for a leveling kit, we can also do a few different sets of airbags to suit your needs. And for the rear end of this one here, good Jenny hitch on the back. And don't forget about the fuel tank under there as well. So you got your Titan replacement fuel tank. Air pressure control to control these airbags from the comfort of the driver's seat. Their Ready Lift Air IQ combination. Chassis mount little compressor dedicated to those airbags. And you're going to be able to inflate, deflate this from a neat control inside the cabin or on your iPhone or Android app. That's going to get your F250 350 looking better than ever. And for you Chevy lovers, we haven't forgotten about you. Let's bring one in right now. For the Chevy 2500 platform, you got suspension upgrade, you got wheel and tyre combination to choose from. You've got a replacement fuel tank under there as well if you want one. You've also got the airbags as well as airbag pressure control inside the cabin. And let's not forget a Jenny hitch combo on the back for those that are towing. For this Chevy 2500 HD, we've gone for the BDS 3-inch suspension kit. The Fox 2.5 remote resi shocks in this kit is making it one of the most popular kits for the Chevy. And for the wheel and tyre combination, you can't go past Method 305 HD. These are an 18x9 POS 18 offset, and they are wrapped with a Yokohama 35 12.5 18 tyre. Really strong sidewall on these tyres, a massive 128Q load rating as well, makes these ones here one of the most popular options today. There's plenty of options to choose from between your Yokohama, your Nitto, your Toyo. You got Method wheels, you got Fuel wheels, Black Rhino, and a bunch of other brands there that we can offer as well. For the rear end of the Chevy 2500 platform, you've got leaf helper airbags under the back end there. Depending on your setup, leaf helper airbags are definitely a must when it comes to towing any decent load behind these trucks. You've also got air pressure control inside the vehicle. Being able to inflate, deflate the airbags from the comfort of the driver's seat is definitely a luxury. You don't have to do that in the essentials package, but we can also do the long range fuel tank. This one here's got the Titan replacement fuel tank, which is super popular. And let's not forget a Jenny hitch combo at the back there, which is gonna make the feedback between the trailer and the vehicle a lot better than any other hitch on the market. That's the wrap up for the Chevy 2500 HD Essentials package. We also have packages for the 1500 platforms, just like Queen G there. In these 1500 platforms, we've got the F150, we've got the Chevy 1500, the Ram 1500, soon to be the Tundra. But for now, if you're keen on one of these essentials packages, guys, click on the description below, get in touch. I look forward to seeing your inquiry. And if you like this video here, check this one out. And this one here as well is one of my favorites.